In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your YouTube app on mobile. Okay, so the first thing that I would recommend is go ahead and swipe out of any YouTube app that you've got open. So if you've got a YouTube window open, swipe out of it and close it. Now from here, what I would do is open up the App Store. So go ahead and search for your App Store, locate it, and then do a search for YouTube. Now you've got a couple of options here depending on how you feel and if YouTube is up to date or not. So as you can see, your YouTube app will most likely say open. If it says open, that means it is up to date. But if you feel like you haven't got the latest version of YouTube, there are some things you can do. So what you could do is you could uninstall YouTube. To do that, you want to hold down on YouTube on your phone, then click remove app and then delete app. That is going to uninstall YouTube altogether. You can then head over back to the App Store, type in YouTube and re-download the YouTube app, and that way you'll know you're getting the updated version. So that is how I would do it. I hope that helped.